Oh, he's right behind me. Let me get a selfie.
Here.
Hold, please.
Oh my goodness. No, don't be afraid, baby. Don't get panic. Yeah, that's a good one. He's taking your bandana. He's taking your... Yes. He's taking your bandana. Oh god. Oh my good lord. Jesus Christ.
Should I give it to him?
No. Oh my god. Oh yeah, they left. They left because there is a big one.
Okay, let's go into the big one. I think he scratched my neck a little bit, but yeah. He's gonna sit or rip his face off or get in his pockets.
I want you to sit. Oh my god. You should wear a bag. Oh.
He's just hanging out. Fine.
Wear a bag.
Actually, take it.
Give that.
Take it.
Oh.
No, hold on.
Give it.
Hey guys.
Oh my goodness.
Welcome to Taste of Travel. Take this. Hey, Elma, take this. Welcome to Taste of Travel with Tom O'Brien. I'm just hanging out with some monkeys. Get this away from the...
I'm turning it to bed.
So, greetings from Bali, Ubud.
No, not me, please.
I know. Did he scratch you? Let's see. He jumped in your back.
No, he was here.
All right, let's get out of here. Dirty monkeys.